Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing good. Today we're going to learn a quick sabji for chapatis. It's made from capsicum, but I don't have capsicum, so I've used here peppers that I just plucked from the backyard. These are sweet peppers, but capsicum also goes very well with this. And then here I have some lady's finger or okra, and then you will need some green. So these are sweet peppers, so I've taken 3 green chilies, and then some curry leaves, coriander leaves, 1 large onion which I have sliced into thin pieces. Then here I have curry powder. This is Shan's curry powder. I have taken 3 tablespoons of curry powder. If you don't have this Shan's curry powder, then you can use any meat masala, meat or chicken masala that you have. And here I have 1 tablespoon of red chili. This is Kashmiri chili, so it's not hot. And then half teaspoon of turmeric powder. And then you will need ginger garlic paste. If you have freshly minced ginger garlic paste, that would be the best, but here I've just taken store-bought ginger garlic paste, and I'm going to take approximately 2 tablespoons. So let's see how it is made.